So good day everyone, this is Nikki and welcome back again to another weekly market overview. So today, February 2, 2026, it's Monday again. We'll be doing a technical analysis for the crypto market, especially with BTC. So alam naman natin, after the huge market crash for the crypto, there is a lot of uncertainty and fear sa market. So ang goal ng video natin ngayon is to clear all of those by looking at the market thoroughly. So abangan natin kung saan nga ba yung mga possible area and zones of BTC na interesado ako to go long or to go short. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So again guys, this is the chart of BTC or Bitcoin on a monthly time frame. Makikita natin in a monthly perspective is we already have 4 consecutive bearish candle for BTC. And katulad nga nung sinabi natin from our last market overview that I'm anticipating that this monthly fair value gap will cause a bearish move from the market. And yun naman yung napakita ni market. This monthly fair value gap act as a resistance for us to go onto this low. So makikita natin we do have internal range liquidity, therefore we'll be now targeting an external range liquidity. Inside this week is I don't see any support right now na magkakos na upward move or upward major move sa market. So ang play style ko ngayon for the BTC, not just for BTC but for the whole crypto market, especially with Ethereum, is makuha nila yung April low nila from 2025. And after nila makuha yon, doon pa na ako maghahanap ng possible move for BTC if makakita ba tayo ng possible opportunity to go long or tutuloy pa rin tayo sa pagbagsak. So again, ngayon waiting game muna tayo for crypto market. Sabi nga nila, there are only 3 ways to trade. Either you buy, either you sell, or you wait. So doon tayo sa pangatlo. We will now be waiting for BTC this week kung ano yung gagawin niya. So ako, I won't do any major move hanggat hindi natin kinukuha tong low na to. And after natin kunin yung low na to on a monthly chart is doon pa lang ako mag-anticipate ng possible bounce back for BTC. So nakikita ko kasi itong zone na to, the zone of 73,000, 74,000 up to the zone of 48,000 could be a catalyst for pullback or what we call CPB or also a major demand. So what do I mean by catalyst for pullback? So siya yung magiging catalyst or cause for the price to cause a pullback. But it won't do any major high. So hindi siya gagawa ng high. So possible another retracement lang for a lower high. But also this one is a major demand. So kung makita natin guys, alam naman natin ang SNR flip, this is our previous resistance. Now, might be a strong support. So makikita natin dito guys that this is a major demand for BTC. So dito magiging crucial talaga ang move ni market. So yan yung anticipation natin for the monthly chart. On a weekly basis naman guys, makita rin natin we already have a balanced price range dito sa part na to. So therefore, again, I'm anticipating a major move for BTC here in this zone. So again, yan yung magiging crucial move for BTC right now. So, ang tanong, are we already on a bear market or in bull market? Honestly, I don't care if you're already on a bull or a bear market because we can trade naman kung ano yung nakikita natin sa chart. Lagi ko nang sinasabi, I am only trading what I see. If I cannot see that in the market is hindi ko siya i-trade. Kasi kahit naman, alam mo, kasi kahit naman sabihin ko sa'yo na nasa bear market or nasa bull market tayo, if you cannot act correctly according to that narrative is wala ring mangyayari. So para sa akin, mag-focus ka na lang kung ano yung magiging action mo sa every move ni market. Lagi nyo naman tatandaan, market is always open. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali mag-buy para lang sabayan yung long and hindi mo rin kailangan mag-short agad or mag-sell para lang masabayan yung dump. Market moves objectively. There is always a time for you or opportunity for you to enter the market. Because again, crypto market is 24/7. Hindi ka mauubusan ng trade dyan. So, kesa habulin mo yung long or ma-FOMO ka na baka long na sa market, bakit hindi ka nalang mag-intay ng confirmation for the market if mag-long na ba tayo or the market will now be pumping or mag-wait na lang tayo ng another opportunity for us to go short or sell the market. So, again, weekly chart, babantayan ko lang din tong price range na to. Anticipation lang natin guys. Ano yung anticipation ko for this coming week? So, ang iintayin ko for this coming week guys is we is a possible sweep of this low, and this is a major low. So I'm anticipating a pullback to the upside. And yun yung aabangan ko for this week. And let's see kung makikita natin yun and masasabayan natin yun. And if you want for more market analysis and updates for the crypto market, not just the crypto market, where the whole financial market like gold, stocks, and forex, as you can join our Discord on the link below. So ayun lang guys, stay safe sa market. Peace out. Bye-bye.